Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Yasmin Whitland and I am back with another video. For this video I decided to switch it up a little bit, so I'm going to be doing the Birchbox unboxing and I am super excited to show you guys. So what I'm going to do is, instead of being on camera, I'm actually going to do like a little bit of like a voiceover kind of, just to show you guys the products of what's inside of the box. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this video. So this is the cutest packaging ever. I was so anticipating on this coming in the mail, and it's pink and it says yes, and I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna cover up my address, but it just came like this. I'm gonna scoot that down. That's how the box looks, and it's pretty much a box within a box. So I thought that Birchbox did a really great job with the packaging. So we're gonna take this out and I'm just gonna toss that to the side. So this is how the box looks when you first open it up, and I thought that was the cutest thing ever, that they incorporated like all these cute pictures and everything like that on the front of the box. And then they also have like the little logo on the back of the box as well, and I thought that was super awesome. So I'm just gonna jump right into this. Just like the Ipsy box and the Target box, it came with a card to kind of pretty much tell you like what's inside of it. And it pretty much right here, it says, "Hello 2019 from Birchbox newbies to longtime friends," and it just pretty much tells you that you can update your beauty profile, you can pick samples, you can get 10% back, and like all that good stuff. So I really love that they incorporated that card. And then on the back of the card, it just tells you what each thing is that's like pretty much included into the box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing I saw, you guys, that kind of caught my eye was this vanilla. Well, it says la vanilla is what it says. So it is the La Vanilla Healthy Fragrance Pure Vanilla Perfume. The full size bottle does retail for $48. It really smells really good. It says it's made with like Madagascan vanilla, tonka bean, goji berry, and the scent is really warm and good. So I love that. I love the little packaging of this, and this is what it looks like in the inside of the sample. And it just has this cute little picture of like all the goodness inside, and then it also has like the little the scent vanilla right there. So I'm actually gonna really be using that because I love vanilla. I love the vanilla scent. Vanilla smells so yummy and so good. So that's a little sample that it came with for the perfume. Next, it came with this number 4 Lumiere Reconstructing Mask, and it pretty much just helps like strengthen your hair. It conditions it, and it has like some jojoba seed oil, sunflower oil, and it's supposed to nourish like your hair and moisturize it. The full size does retail for about $58, and I'm actually interested in using this because who doesn't want healthy hair? So that's really cool. Alright, next thing in this box, you guys. The next product that came inside the box is also from the brand number 4. It is the clarifying shampoo, and also it says that the full size is $32, and it's supposed to purify your scalp and strands with this cleanser that removes product buildup in just one wash. So I thought that's super amazing that Birchbox included this, and I really am dying to use this just to see like how it works, because like I said in my other video, I'm always looking for new products to try out. So that's super exciting. The next thing that came in the box is from the brand Comfort Zone, and it says it's a cream gel, and it says this formula has the light gel-like texture of sorbet. So yes, this is a hydrating cream, and I'm really looking forward to trying this out. Birchbox do like a really good job with just like having these products that's for like hydration and everything like that, because I am always on the look for hydration and anything that pretty much can moisturize, and these are really good samples. The next thing that I got in my Birchbox is from Stila Cosmetics. It's a Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Ruby. Yes, you guys, so it's like a deep red color. I love liquid lipsticks. I think they look the best on me versus the regular lipsticks, but I absolutely adore this color because, as we all know, Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so I'm gonna be giving this a try out just to see how it looks. But once again, it's like a deep ruby red color, so I'm actually living for that Alright, you guys, moving on to the last product. Okay, you guys, so the final thing that came inside of the Birchbox is the New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. The full size is $37. And right here it says this lightweight packaged gel starts to work in just 1 week. So it fills in fine lines. It's supposed to lift and firm your skin, all while boosting radiance and improving skin texture. So, ooh, I might need to get the full size, honey, because this sounds like we're going to be living for this. So I'm super excited to try this. Alright, you guys, so that is the final thing that had came inside of the Birchbox, and I am super excited to get my February Birchbox. This was a January one, so I'm super excited to go ahead and show you guys what comes in the mail next. I will definitely give you guys updates as to what products I'm actually going to try out for myself, which ones I like, which ones that were kind of like, I wasn't feeling, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you get your Birchbox and give this video a thumbs up if you so choose, and subscribe if you like to. Once again, it's your girl Yasmin Woodland, and thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.